Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the Head of Engineering for Hilti Australia. Here today I'm in Sydney for our Connecting Minds event 2025. We've brought engineers from Brisbane and Sydney all together here. Today we're discussing the latest design updates when it comes to engineering as well as the latest innovations for construction.
It's really great to be able to interact with so many people in the industry and get so much feedback from them, and also being them really interested in our solutions.
It's been really good to meet other technical professionals within the built environment, and learning the new things and innovations that Hilti bring to the table has been great to be here. Hilti's research and development in the built environment space is second to none and brings so many great benefits to making buildings better. It enables us to be at the cutting edge of bringing the best product to our client.
It's really cool to hear some code changes and get some clarity around what's coming with new updates to the NCC and also to AS 5216. Great to hear some case studies and also talk to like-minded people in the industry.
At Hilti, our business model is built around staying close to our customers, wherever they are in the world. This connection helps us understand their challenges firsthand. Our customers' feedback drives us to enhance our solutions and bring meaningful innovation to the market.